Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video with myself. I'm Justin being here at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, and today we're going to be checking out how to hook up your Apple Carplay or your Android Auto to your Honda vehicle. So first things first, you're going to want to find the USB port shown with the phone icon right there. Plug in your USB right to your mobile device. First we'll show you Android Auto. You want to click Always Enable, and for Android Auto we actually have to install the Android Auto app. So we're just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Just press install and let it download. And then we're just going to make sure we accept all these agreements. Press continue. And we're going to allow everything here. Just keep pressing allow until you get your access. And now you're able to set up. Press continue. And you can see we are now connected to Android Auto. We can talk to Google as well, just by pressing that speech button right on the wheel there. Press and hold it down, and you now speak to Google. We can play our music. Now we're gonna go to YouTube Music. And now all your music shows up right on your touchscreen display. Super crisp, very good look. We could check out the navigation. You have that all for you right there. Return to Honda. That brings you right back to your main display on your touchscreen. And that's how you hook up to Android Auto. Now for Apple CarPlay, it's very similar. You're going to find that same USB port once again. Hit Always Enable Apple CarPlay up here right on the touchscreen display. Give that a press. And just like that, Apple CarPlay is now connected. And now we can press that phone icon and be able to talk to anybody we'd like hands-free. And we also have our maps. Of course, you got to press the allow button, and your GPS appears right on your screen. And we also have messages as well as your music, just like Android Auto. And we can press that Honda button. That brings us right back to our normal interface. And that's how you connect your Honda vehicle to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and we'll see you next time.